Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 2. We are learning unit 16. Its title is A Delightful Day. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of grammar, we are going to learn about question words. Before this, in your unit 9, I have already taught you question words. I hope you remember this concept. If not, you may watch this video lecture again because we are going to learn further about this concept, and that is to comprehend and respond. To comprehend and respond to simple WH questions. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Ar-Rahman, verse 25, so which of the favors of your Lord would you deny? Allahu Akbar. Yes, my dear children, what this beautiful verse is telling us, which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is making us to realize that there are a lot of blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and they are in such abundance that you cannot deny them, right? So beta, alhamdulillah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blessed us with many things. Even we are talking, we can look at each other, we can breathe. Each and everything is Allah's blessing. So we should not deny. Alhamdulillah, we will not deny any of the blessing, and for every blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we'll say, Alhamdulillah. Right? So my dear children, now look at this word, which. It is referring to a question. That's why we have put a question mark at the end of the statement, right? So there are different type of questions. There are different type of question words. Their function is different. We have already learnt about it. So you tell me, what are question words and how do you respond to a question? Pause the video, answer this question to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you could recall because we have talked about question words. So question words are what, who, where, why, when. There are more, but in our lecture, we'll discuss about these question words only, right? And we have already learned when we use what. Remember? So what we use when we inquire about something. When we want to ask about something. For example, what is this? Now this what is a question word which is referring to this. I'm asking you, what is this? So, when you are being asked to tell what is this, how will you respond? You have to tell the answer by telling this is a beautiful garden, right? Or this is a beautiful scenery. This is a beautiful place. But whatever, when you are being asked what, it means you have to tell about the thing you are being asked. Now, we have already discussed about the use of what, but now we are learning a step ahead, how to respond. When you are being asked what, you have to tell about the thing which we are talking about, right? The next word is who. When we say who, it means we want to inquire about someone, a person. Okay? For example, I say, who is your brother? There are many boys, so I want to ask, who is your brother? Who among them is the person who is your brother? So what you will tell now, you will tell me about the person. He is my brother. He is my brother. The one who is raising his hand. He is my brother, right? So this who means you have to tell about a person and you will answer by telling the person. All right? So next is where. We use this word when we want to ask about a place. For example, where is my book? Now I want to know where is my book? What is the place where my book is? So when you are being asked with a question word where, you have to tell the place. Your book is on the table. So this is the place where your book is. Your book is on the table. So you have to tell the place. Why? When why is used, it means you have to tell you are being asked about, you are being inquired about a reason, and you have to tell the reason. So question is, why is the baby crying? Ah, look at this cute baby. Why is she crying? Now, what is the reason? The baby is crying because she is hungry. This is the reason. So you have to, when you are being asked why, you will tell the reason. Because she's hungry, because she's sad, because she's not feeling well, whatever the reason. So you have to, whenever you are being asked why, you have to tell the reason, right? And when is used to inquire about time. When will you reach home? Now your mama is asking, when will you reach home? It means you have to tell the time. Mama, I will reach home at 2 o'clock. From school, I'll get a school bus and I'll reach home by 2 o'clock. So when means you have to tell the time. So whenever you are asked a question with when, it means you have to tell the time. You have to respond by telling the time. So are you clear with use of all these and how we respond? All right, I'm going to check it through an activity. Ask your friend questions about any recent vacation they had. Use WH questions, and definitely beta, because your teacher is going to divide you in pairs, and one will ask questions and the other will analyze what, when, where, why. So you have to respond accordingly. Okay, so teacher kindly divide the class into groups and make them to talk to each other and keep correcting them wherever they need the correction. Pause the video, enjoy the activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope now you are able to ask questions and to respond questions. Good job. Now it's time for your homework. You will use WH question words in sentences. So you will make questions. Here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear students, what you will do, you will read the question why, where, who, and you will answer accordingly. You will respond accordingly, all right? So what we have learned today, we learned to comprehend and respond to simple WH questions. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time.